I'm so excited. This is my absolute favorite soup in the entire world. This is Frankfurt Soup, and it's so cheap to make and it's so delicious. And I'm making a big batch, so there's gonna be probably about 8 bowls of soup in this, starting with one whole onion. We're gonna just chop this up in little pieces. You can use food processor as well, and then potatoes, like that many, chop them up in little cubes. I don't think I need to show you how to chop potatoes, however you can. And then this is a almost whole cabbage. I used a little bit for something else. A whole cabbage, taking out the mid part, and then we want little squares of cabbage, so we're just gonna cut them on the side and then from the top. I personally like to have a little bit of everything on my spoon when I'm eating soup, so that's why I'm cutting everything like in pretty small bits. So see, it falls apart perfectly, but it will also fall apart in the soup. In my soup pot, a little bit of oil and the onion, low and slow. We don't want to burn it because it's really easy to burn onion. So at this stage, I'm happy with the coloring, and I'm gonna add paprika, a teaspoon, and just gonna cook it down to activate the flavors in the paprika. Normally you would do this with any spice, any like red colored spice, especially if you're making Indian food, but this is German food, but same thing. Adding my cabbage, it doesn't look like it's a lot, but it's also gonna absorb some water. And then we're gonna add the potatoes too, and I'm adding a gallon of water until it's submerged. If you don't cover the soup, a lot of the water is gonna evaporate, and then you're gonna have to add a little more, so be aware to have a lid for the pot if you have one. If you don't, then you might just need to add some more water. Instead of water, you can also use broth, but I like broth paste, this brand specifically. If you want to make this vegetarian, then add vegetable broth or vegetable broth paste. I'm adding the hot dog wieners in. That's why it's called the Frankfurt Soup, because hot dogs, very German. I'm adding this much. It's very salty, so I'm not adding salt to the broth because the paste already has a lot of salt, but I'm putting a big spoon in, and then I'll taste it and see if it's salty enough, or if it needs more. It did need more, but it's always good to add less because you can always add, you can never take away. So now I'm covering the lid and letting it cook about halfway, and then adding in my potatoes. When the potatoes are half cooked, you're gonna add the sauerkraut. Always add the sauerkraut after the potatoes cooked, because the vinegar in the sauerkraut slows the potatoes down for cooking. So if you add it like at the same time, it's gonna take an extra hour and a half for the potatoes to cook. So vinegar prevents it from cooking as it should. Bay leaves, I'm adding just 3 bay leaves. I do love bay leaves. I would add more, but you shouldn't. Black pepper, and then we're pretty much almost done. And then the hot dog wieners. I like this brand specifically, and the turkey one. I don't like their beef one because to me it feels grainy. If you put them side by side, you'll know what I mean, but the turkey it's just so much smoother, and it tastes really, really good too. Again, if you want to make this vegetarian, just skip this. You don't have to add this at all, but it's in the original recipe. But you can totally make this recipe without the meat. And I'm just searing it. It makes a difference. Oh, one fell out. I'm gonna eat that. Lucky me. It makes a difference. It just gives it a better flavor, like the ends in a steak that you're like, oh, I love the ends. You can even buy like brisket ends at Costco and add it into my soup. Now we're done with the soup. I'm gonna make a thickening. In America, I think you would use cornstarch, but in Europe we do the flour trick. So I got about 1.5 tablespoon of flour, and I'm gonna add like 3-4 splash of broth to it and mix it really quickly. And then this is gonna make the soup a little thicker, just more hearty, and it's gonna look more creamy also. But I also add sour cream to it. You don't have to, but some people do. I prefer it with the sour cream. It makes it even more creamier. If you I added a whole pack of sauerkraut, so it is kind of sour. You can add just half pack of sauerkraut, and you can also wash the sauerkraut so it's less sour, but it definitely gives that nice kick, that flavor. The hot dog, the sauerkraut, the potatoes, it all comes together. I guess, yeah, it is kind of low calorie, but it's so hearty, it's so delicious, and it's so budget friendly. And try this at least once in your life. It's my absolute all-time favorite soup.